Alright, the sun is out and projects must be done. This is project number 1. My 12 by 36 inch lathe. I got it for super cheap, like 150 bucks. Item number 2 on the list is convert this over, which I will then put on here. As you can see, threaded. Yeah. There. Nice big arbor. And I want to get extension out here. And I want to extend this hood. That's the other thing. I like the water system, but these need to be replaced. These things, they need to be replaced. They're dry as bone. This all needs to be cleaned out. I'll probably just replace it all. I like Covington's setup. They have a nice manifold. Yeah. So I have an extra tank up there that I might end up using as a drip, but I do have a water system that I am testing to see if I can get enough pressure on the horsepower or the pull that it has right now. But these things right here, this is what's on here. I mean, this is good. This cork is actually pretty good. Now, I don't know if I start using it and, you know, if it's going to hold up. But if it's old, I really hate to use it. I'd rather just, like, save it as, like, I don't know, memorabilia or something. But these 7-inchers right here, they're like 60 bucks for the kit. You get up to, what is it, 1,000 I think, 3,000. Yeah, 3,000. Velcro, hook and loop backing. And so if you get the hook side, I mean, you can see it's a great, and it'll make for quick swap out. So you can do production stone working relatively quickly. This thing looks like it's in terrible shape. I don't know though, maybe it's designed like that. No, it's in terrible shape. Frankenstein, that's what we're gonna call this thing. It's made from all kinds of parts and it will continue to be given parts until it is a whole different beast. Yeah, look at this. This is glorious. I don't even know what somebody was doing there. But everything does work. Everything does work. And this thing's actually skookum. It's a pretty big beast. We can change out all this. And of course I can get those in different sizes. Those wheels. Belts are replaceable. Need to fire this sucker up. This is a 16-inch. Got a bunch of moss agate here, a bunch of saginite, really nice saginite. That's gonna look great. It's hard to see. Nice material though. Good stuff. Yeah. Not bad. But that's a vibe lap. It needs to be clean. Got a little pump for it just for that. I'm gonna do a mount system and have bucket and drain system and all that cool stuff. But need to just set this up in general. I mean, it's not a shop. It's a mess. But I've got power. I've got projects. Oh yeah, this one. This is going to be converted to be, yeah, look at this. Okay, so I'm not giving anything away yet, but here's this, right? Those teeth, they ratchet down all the way, which means the drilling and the pressing and everything, depending on how strong this motor is, We'll see on that, huh? It's going to be implemented for a new idea. Oh man, is it going to be cool. And then